Today we're taking a look at the Phoenix electric trailer jack with the included remote. This electric jack lets you lift and lower your A-frame trailer quickly and easily. It has a lift capacity of 5,500 pounds. There's a few things that makes this jack a little bit different than anything else out there on the market. One, it comes with a wireless remote, so that way you can control and operate the jack from a distance. We have the LED lights, which are becoming pretty popular and pretty common on trailer jacks. Those allow for easy hookup and disconnecting in low light or nighttime settings. One of the things I do like about this is the buttons right here are push buttons, so they're not toggle, so that way they don't easily break off. And they're a flush design, and they're kind of hidden underneath this housing right here, so they're going to be protected. They're very easily accessible, and you have two memory functions on this jack. So those are hitch memory functions that will be used to store your hitch height and weight distribution system height to make hooking up simple. Again, two memory settings, so that it'll automatically return your trailer to the position at which you unhooked, which is a nice design. Makes hooking up and disconnecting quick and easy the next time you're ready to do so. Two-wire design, red wire for power, black wire for ground. Also comes with an inline fuse holder. It's a 30-amp fuse that can be installed there on the main power wire, which is your red wire. Really nice design. Right here on top you have a cap that can be removed in case of power failure. This gives you access to the manual override, and it does come with the socket adapter right here, so that way you can use a drill to raise and lower the jack. A manual crank handle is not included, but you can get one. They are sold separately. So real quick, I just want to go over a few technical features of the jack. It has a lift capacity of 5,500 pounds. It features an efficient ball screw design, which makes it fast and easy to position your trailer. So internally there's a ball bearing system, so there's multiple bearings, ball bearings that roll along a sturdy threaded steel rod. That's what moves it up and down. Power drive provides quiet operation and eliminates the need for hand cranking. Again, it's got the easy to access control panel right here, so you got your up and down, you got your LED light, you got memory 1 and memory 2. Wireless capability is a great included feature with that included remote that allows you to operate the jack from a distance. When it comes to the construction, up here is plastic, so it has a plastic housing, but the main components like the tall stem here, the bracket, the outer tube, the inner tube, the drop leg, and the foot plate, that's all steel, so it's very strong and durable. And everything's coated with protective finishing to keep it safe from rust and corrosion. So we have zinc coating and we have black powder coating. It's a bolt-on installation. Mounting hardware not included, but it does have the standard mount pattern for A-frame trailers. Nice large mounting plate as well. Now the overall height of the unit, I measured from the bottom to the very top with it fully retracted. I got a measurement of 37 3/4 inches. From the bottom of the bracket, which would be on top of whatever mounting surface of your trailer, from the bottom of that bracket to the top of the jack is 27 inches. Now the bracket height with it in the fully retracted position, that's basically the measurement from the bottom of the foot plate to the bracket right here. That's going to give us a measurement of 10.5 inches. With it all the way extended, we have a total lift of around 26 inches with this jack, which is really, really tall. But the screw travel is around 21 inches, and then this drop leg provides an additional 4.5 inches. So I want to show you that drop leg real quick. It is included, and then on the bottom of the drop leg we have the included foot plate, which does a great job at spreading out the applied weight. Really helps prevent sinking on softer surfaces. So that's our drop leg. Our drop leg has a 4 mount hole design, and we have an 1.5 inch measurement on center between each hole. So if you add all those up, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch, that's going to give you a drop leg travel of around 4.5 inches. So again, total lift around 26 inches, with the screw travel being 21 inches, drop leg travel being around 4.5 inches. And then again, incremental height adjustment of 1.5 inches. Outer tube diameter on the unit is 2 1/4. Foot plate diameter is 7 inches. When it comes to the motor, this is a 12-volt motor, offers 10 inches of travel in about 47 seconds. So it's very fast compared to some of the other ones out there on the market. I'm going to go ahead and hook it up to power. That way you can see what it sounds like, how it operates, all that good stuff. Now there's a few key features that I really like about the control panel. You can push the extend button and operate it that way, and then when you let off it stops operating. Or if you need to travel quite a distance, you can push that extend button twice and it'll go on its own, hands-free. Then whenever you want to stop it, you can just hit one of the buttons there and it'll turn it off. Same with retract. You can hold it down and then it lets off when you let off, or you can double tap it. And then when you're ready to stop, you just hit the button. It also has an automatic shut-off so you don't overextend or over-retract the unit. LED light located right there, nice bright design. I'll turn it off. You can see there it illuminates at a downward angle, so it's going to illuminate the coupler area. When you're ready to use the remote, all you got to do is hit that on and off button 3 times fast. Blue light will come on, and I can control my LED light. I can also do my extend. Same thing, you can double tap it and it'll go automatically. And you can do retract. You could also double tap that and take your finger off the button as well. So overall, really nice design. It's got some smart features built into it. Makes it a very nice, easy jack to use and control and operate. That's going to do it for today's look at the Phoenix electric trailer jack with remote.